Downloading Xcode Beta is one of the easiest things you can do, but it's also one of the hardest to do it right. If you are brand new to iOS development, welcome to one of the most incredible, creative, and accessible opportunities on the face of this planet. You can start building apps right now and potentially cash in on the expected $935 billion by the end of 2023. If you're watching this video, it is clear that you have the passion and will to build apps, so let's learn the very first step you need to make: download Xcode Beta. And also smash that like button. So today we are going to download Xcode Beta. Of course, if you do want to work on the latest version of Xcode, you can take a look at Xcode on the Mac App Store, or where I'm going to show you how you can download Xcode. But before we do that, let me remind you about Beyond Code. It's at rebeloper.com/community. The community for not just iOS developers. You will get weekly mentorships, group coaching with me, and the opportunity to talk with fellow members. Let me just show you how this looks like. We have introductions, ask a question, announcements, general water cooler, which is really great because then you can just hop on a voice or video call. Also, you can DM other people. And here is our list of events. Let's take a look at the past events. Here we go. We have our founders launch party and how to create a Swift SDK in your API. These events will be held live on a weekly basis. So check it out. It is at rebeloper.com/community. You can log in here, or you can join. If you don't see the join button, that is because this opportunity will last only for the entirety of WWDC 2022. So after this week, you will no longer have the opportunity to join the Beyond Code. Maybe after a few months when I will open up the gates for our community. So let's just jump right into downloading Xcode Beta. All you have to do is go to developer.apple.com/xcode/resources, and there you will see that now when a beta is available, you will have the option to download the beta. Of course, you can also install Xcode 13, the latest version. You can view that on the Mac App Store, but today we are interested in downloading the Xcode Beta. So let's just go there, click on download the beta. Of course, you will need to have an Apple developer account. So what you want to do is just sign in there. There's my password. Great. And once you do that, you want to make sure that you have the latest version of data. And we are just going to simply click right over here. Now, this will start to download. Let's just save that under the downloads. There we go. It will take a few minutes, and with the help of magical editing, we are going to extract this zip file. So let me just click on it, and as you can see, it's going to extract that, verifying digital signature, and it's going to extract our Xcode 14 beta onto currently our downloads folder. Okay, so now that Xcode Beta has been unzipped, all I have to do is just drag it into the applications folder. There we go. We may safely delete, like move this to the bin, and then just go under the applications, scroll all the way down. As you can see, Xcode and Xcode Beta will live side by side. So let's just double click on it, and let's see what we still need to install. Because yes, we are going to need to install some additional things. And as you can see, it's just verifying Xcode Beta. Let me just drag this right over here. And yeah, Xcode Beta is really cool because it takes 30% less space than Xcode 13. So Xcode Beta 14 takes less than the currently available Xcode, which is really great. Okay, it looks like we have ended our verification. There we go. Let's just wait for this to open up. Okay. We want to add access to our documents folder because that's where my projects live. And yeah, let's just see how all of this launches. Once you allow access to your documents, of course, this if you are not having your Xcode projects on the documents folder, you will not have this. You can now create a new Xcode project, clone an existing one, or open a project. And that is how you can download Xcode beta. Make sure that you check out rebeloper.com/community if you want to join the community for not just iOS developers. And if you want to take a look at my take on WWDC 2022 recap, go ahead and check out this video right over here.